Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to recover data from your PC, server, external hard drive, USB flash drive, memory card or laptop easily. So without any further ado, let's get started. So you need to first open Google Chrome, open new tab and type speed recovery. Click on the first link. You need to download it. Now a little bit scroll down. These are the supported storage devices: PC and server, hard drive, and USB flash drive, memory card, and other devices. So now I'm going to install Speed Recovery. Click on Next. I'm going to uncheck this one and click on Next and click on Install. So I'm going to finish it. So now for testing purpose, I'm going to delete this images. Now also clean recycle bin as well. Open the Speed Data Recovery. Select the path or location where you deleted your file. In my case, I am selecting the D driver and then scan. So there is a huge amount of data, so it can take time. So for learning purpose, I'm going to show you how we can recover it. Like I'm going to recover this interview file. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to recover the interview questions. So I'm click on it and then recover. I don't recover. And it say select the path. So I'm going to choose desktop and then hit OK and then OK. So now as you can see, recovery successfully. Now I'm going to close it. Let's see. As you can see, click on this one. These are the files I recovered. You can also click on like this one as well. Click on recovery, select desktop and recovery folder, and you can also select this one as well. So this is how you can easily recover lost or deleted files.